Get 50% off and order online with free shipping at the LitBlinds store on YouTube channel. Greatest style for curtains, cellular shades, and skylight shades. Curtains, those magical swaths of fabric, hold within them the power to transform a room. They are more than mere window dressings, they are storytellers, setting the tone and mood of a space. Picture a room bathed in the soft glow of dawn, curtains gently billowing in the morning breeze, whispering promises of a new day. Or imagine the cozy embrace of an evening, curtains drawn tight against the world outside, cocooning you in warmth and comfort. Curtains are the artists of ambience, offering privacy when needed and revealing glimpses of the outside world when desired. They come in a myriad of colors, textures, and patterns, each one a reflection of personal style and taste. From opulent drapes that evoke the grandeur of a bygone era to minimalist panels that embrace simplicity and modernity, curtains have the power to elevate any space. They frame our windows like works of art, adding depth, dimension, and character to a room. And beyond their aesthetic appeal, curtains serve a practical purpose, regulating light, insulating against heat and cold, and muffling outside noise. In the dance between light and shadow, privacy and exposure, curtains play a leading role, casting their spell upon the stage of our everyday lives. So let us celebrate the humble curtain, for in its folds lies the promise of beauty, comfort, and sanctuary. Cellular shades, also known as honeycomb shades, are a modern and versatile window treatment option that offers a blend of style, functionality, and energy efficiency. What sets cellular shades apart is their unique honeycomb-like structure, which consists of cells that trap air within them, providing an extra layer of insulation against heat and cold. This innovative design not only helps to regulate indoor temperatures but also reduces energy costs by minimizing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. One of the key benefits of cellular shades is their ability to diffuse natural light while still providing privacy. They come in a variety of opacities, ranging from sheer to blackout, allowing you to control the amount of light entering your space according to your preferences. This makes cellular shades ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, and other areas where privacy and light control are paramount. Moreover, cellular shades are available in a wide range of colors, textures, and sizes, making them suitable for any decor style, from contemporary to traditional. Overall, cellular shades offer a perfect blend of style, functionality, and energy efficiency, making them a popular choice for homeowners seeking both comfort and savings on their energy bills. Whether you're looking to enhance the beauty of your space or improve its insulation, cellular shades are a practical and stylish solution for any window. One of the standout features of cellular shades is their versatility. They are available in a variety of configurations, including single cell, double cell, and even triple cell designs, each offering varying levels of insulation and energy efficiency. This allows homeowners to choose the option that best suits their specific needs and climate conditions. Furthermore, cellular shades are highly durable and long-lasting, thanks to their sturdy construction and high-quality materials. The cellular design not only provides excellent insulation but also helps to absorb sound, making them an excellent choice for rooms where noise reduction is desired, such as bedrooms or home offices. Another advantage of cellular shades is their cordless or motorized operation, which eliminates the need for dangling cords that can pose a safety hazard, particularly in homes with young children or pets. Cordless options offer a sleek and streamlined look while enhancing safety, while motorized shades provide ultimate convenience at the touch of a button or through smart home integration. Moreover, cellular shades are an eco-friendly choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. By reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions, they help to minimize your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Additionally, many cellular shades are made from recyclable materials, further reducing their environmental impact. In terms of design, cellular shades offer endless possibilities for customization. Whether you prefer bold colors, subtle neutrals, or eye-catching patterns, there's a cellular shade option to suit your style and aesthetic preferences. You can also choose from a variety of operating mechanisms, including top-down bottom-up, which allows you to control the positioning of the shade for optimal light and privacy control. Overall, cellular shades are a smart and stylish window treatment solution that offers a host of benefits, from energy efficiency and noise reduction to safety and style. With their innovative design and customizable features, cellular shades are sure to enhance the beauty and functionality of any space while providing lasting comfort and savings. These shades are specifically designed to fit the unique shape and dimensions of Skylight windows, providing effective coverage and control. One of the primary advantages of Skylight shades is their ability to regulate sunlight. Skylights often let in abundant natural light, which can be beneficial for brightening up a space and reducing the need for artificial lighting. However, excessive sunlight can also lead to glare, heat buildup, and fading of furniture and decor. Skylight shades offer a solution by allowing you to adjust the amount of light entering the room, providing shading when needed while still preserving the view of the sky above. Additionally, Skylight shades contribute to energy efficiency by helping to block heat transfer. In summer, they can prevent excessive solar heat gain, reducing the need for air conditioning and lowering energy costs. In winter, they can help to retain heat, improving insulation and keeping your home comfortable year-round. Skylight shades also offer privacy and UV protection. They can be equipped with light filtering or blackout fabrics to control visibility from both inside and outside the home, ensuring privacy whenever desired. Furthermore, many Skylight shade fabrics are designed to block harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading over time. In terms of design, Skylight shades come in a variety of styles and configurations to complement any decor. They can be operated manually with a hand crank or telescoping pole, or they can be motorized for added convenience, allowing you to adjust them with the touch of a button or through smart home integration. Overall, Skylight shades offer a practical and stylish solution for optimizing the comfort, efficiency, and aesthetics of rooms with skylights. Whether you're looking to reduce glare, control temperature, enhance privacy, or simply add a touch of elegance to your space, Skylight shades are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking both form and function. One notable feature of Skylight shades is their ability to enhance the overall comfort of a room. Moreover, Skylight shades contribute to the aesthetics of a space by providing a sleek and streamlined appearance. When not in use, the shades can be neatly rolled up or folded away, allowing the beauty of the skylight to shine through unobstructed. This minimalist approach to window treatment enhances the architectural features of the room while maintaining an open and airy atmosphere. Another advantage of Skylight shades is their versatility in light control. Depending on the fabric and opacity chosen, these shades can offer varying levels of light filtering and privacy. Light filtering fabrics diffuse sunlight, creating a soft and ambient glow in the room, while blackout fabrics provide complete darkness when desired, making them ideal for bedrooms or media rooms. Furthermore, Skylight shades are available in a range of materials, colors, and patterns to suit any design preference. Whether you prefer a natural, earthy look with woven bamboo shades or a modern, minimalist aesthetic with sleek roller shades, there's a Skylight shade option to complement your decor style.
Professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. LitBlinds work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers. USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store.
LitBlinds.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LitBlinds.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please share, like and comment.